let's coming to the third method of volumetric or titrometric analysis, that is oxidation, reduction, titrations. It is a type of titration based on a redox reaction between the analyte and titrant. Here analyte is the sample and the endpoint can be determined by using redox indicator or also by using potentiometer. Indicator undergoes oxidation or reduction depending upon whether the titrant is an oxidizing or reducing agent. The oxidizing and reducing forms of the indicator have distinctly different colors. And fourth one is non-aqueous titrations. These are the titrations of substances dissolved in solvents other than water. It is the most common titrometric procedure used in pharmaceutical assays and serves as double purpose. It is suitable for the titration of weak acids and weak bases and also provides a solvent in which organic compounds are soluble. The most commonly used procedure is the titration of organic bases with perchloric acid in anhydrous acetic acid. These assays sometimes take some perfection in terms of being able to judge the endpoint precisely. And the Kohler-Fisher reagent used for the Kohler-Fisher titrations for water content is another titration usually done in methanol or sometimes in ethanol. Here water is the analyte and cannot be used as a solvent.